soda to make volcano experiment. We have baking soda, food coloring, soap, and vinegar. Let's start now. Let's put baking soda. Now let's put food coloring. So, let's mix it. Let's put vinegar. When baking soda and vinegar come in contact with each other, a chemical reaction takes place where carbon dioxide is formed. Carbon dioxide, which is a gas, is trapped as bubbles in the dish soap and wells out of the volcano.